The 534.5 oscillator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download the indicator file from this section for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. They can also study this page to learn how the indicator works and functions. And by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. When the indicator is running on the chart, an oscillator window is displayed at the bottom of the chart. The 534.5 oscillator is an advanced and developed version of the Awesome Oscillator. Instead of displaying histogram values, it presents the data as oscillator lines at the bottom of the chart. The blue line in the oscillator represents the main indicator line, or the Awesome line, while the red line serves as the signal line. The Awesome indicator calculates its values based on the difference between a 5-period moving average and a 34-period moving average. Here, it displays those values as a line. How to use the indicator is based on the movement of its values above or below the zero level. When the values are above the zero level, it indicates an uptrend, and when the values move below the zero level, it indicates a downtrend. Here, I'll add the zero level to the indicator, and we can see that as the oscillator's values move above the zero level, the price has entered an uptrend. And we can use the crossover of the blue and red lines as a trade entry signal to enter a buy position in the market. Similarly, when the oscillator's values move below the zero level and the blue and red lines cross, we can use that as an entry signal for a sell position and identify trading opportunities. This indicator doesn't have any input settings. The only thing we can do is go to the settings under the colors tab and change the color of the oscillator line, that is the Awesome line, and the signal line to our desired colors. That brings us to the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd appreciate it if you would share your thoughts and suggestions with us in the comments section.